In this video, I'm showing you how to fix the issue where it says a JNI error has occurred, please check your installation and try again. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. I really do appreciate it. And please do watch this video right until the end to the full steps, and let's go and get straight into this. In this folder on my desktop, I actually go and have this Java or jar file I want to go and run. In this case, it's for a Minecraft server, but this may be happening for other Minecraft related issues and other just Java files in general. In this case, it's a file to go and run my Minecraft server, but it can be anything to do with Minecraft or Java in general. So when I go and double click on it, I go and get this issue here saying a JNI error has occurred. Please take your installation and try again. And you'll go and get another message as well saying a Java exception has occurred. So if you go and get this issue, do not worry, we can go and fix this. Close off of the folder for now, and all you want to do is head into your browser. Then once you're in your browser, you need to go and search for something called Java Development Kit, just like so. Now do keep watching, I'll show you exactly how to install it and how to fix it as well. So go and search for it, and you want to make sure you come to Oracle. We've got Java download, so go and click on it here, and then it's going to go and take you straight to the development kit. So then you want to scroll down until you see the download section, and we've got Linux, Mac and Windows. So if you're on either of these, go select the one you want to go and download. So I'm using Windows, and then all you need to do is go and look for the x64 installer and then go and click on it just like so, and it's going to go and drop the download. And as you can see, it's around 150 megabytes. So depending on your browser, it's either going to be in the bottom of your browser, or you need to go and open up your file explorer and go to your downloads folder in there. But either way, you have to wait for it to finish downloading first. The download is now finished, so either go and open up your file explorer to your downloads folder, or you can just go and use it from your browser. As I said before, it's going to depend on what type of browser you're using. So here it is, you need to go and double click on it just like so, and then we need to go and follow the installation instructions. So you're going to go and get a Windows security pop-up. Unfortunately, I can't go and record that for you, but all you need to do is go and click yes. And then we'll just have to wait a moment and the installer is going to load. Here it is, so let's go and click on next, and then you can go and choose where you want it to be installed. I want it to be there, so I'm going to go and click on next. And as you can see, it's now going to do the full installation process, and it's going to go and tell you the current status. So I'll catch up with you guys once it's gone and finished. So as you can see, it's now finished. We can now go and click close. And now let's go and open up this server folder again and try running the Java file again. So I'm going to go double click on it just like so. And as you can see, it's going to go and start doing its thing, hopefully. And it's going to, with this case, it's going to start making sort of folders and files. As you can see, they're now appearing, and we've had no error message appear, and it's working as it should do. And that's a really easy fix, guys. I hope this did work for you. If it did, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like. If you have any further questions, please leave a comment as well. I look forward to catching you in the next one. Peace.